Hey, this is Erik Hitzelberger, Vice President of KREIA, and I am here with former past President of KREIA, Mike Butler, and National Speaker, and also current board member Clay Smith. And we are going to talk this month on the 24th about how to build wealth with rental properties. And I'm going to talk to you about setting goals and why you want to do this. We're going to kind of cover why the 80 million baby boomers, who is it's the highest earning generation in the history of the world, yet half of them are retiring with not enough money to live on. Most of them are going to have to live on Social Security. And I'm going to teach you how and why and the math behind avoiding a similar fate. And then once we understand why we want to do this and own rental property and how it can make a difference in the lives of our families and ourselves and in our families, Mike and Clay are going to talk to you about exactly how to go about doing this.